Welcome to implementing and testing applications using functional JavaScript. In this, we will learn advanced functional programming techniques and put theory into practice by developing an application in mostly functional style. My name is Zsolt Nagy. I'm currently a technical development lead in Berlin, Germany, mentoring and learning from amazing software developers. My field of expertise has been connected to front-end and full-stack development using JavaScript. I witnessed the growth of JavaScript from being a toy language up until the cutting-edge language it has become ES 2017. Beyond witnessing the advancement of JavaScript, I've always been fascinated about engineering code that survives the test of time. You will learn in this course that functional programming is one tool to make your code more maintainable. I first learned the principles of functional languages SML and Haskell during university, and the code examples of my master's thesis were also written in a declarative language. Implementing and testing applications using functional JavaScript consists of three main parts, divided into 4 sections. In section 1, we will learn some functional programming theory on functors and monads in order to understand some functional programming techniques and libraries better. You will even understand the behavior of jQuery wrap sets from a different angle than before, and you will see a library that implements some very useful monads in practice. Talking about practice, sections 2 and 3 help you use advanced functional programming concepts in your code. Section 2 gives you an overview of handling asynchronous code with promises, generator functions, and async await from ES 2017. In section 3, you will understand the concept of lazy evaluation in order to handle finite and infinite sequences in an optimized way. If you have ever watched other courses on functional programming, section 4 will be a real eye-opener for you. I will not only show you how to start developing your application using test-driven development, but I will also explain why it is easier to test functional code than object-oriented code, for instance. Once you finish this course, you will understand the fundamentals of some functional programming concepts such as functors and monads, both in theory and in practice. You will also learn advanced techniques that allow you to write and optimize real-world web applications. Furthermore, you will gain hands-on experience on developing a web application in mostly functional style. After finishing this volume, you will know how to get started with developing similar applications on your own. In order to benefit from this volume, you should already be familiar with the foundations of JavaScript. If you only know ES5, the older version of JavaScript, you can either learn the fundamentals of ES6 from my other course titled Deep Dive into Functional JavaScript, or just watch any tutorial on the basics. I can highly recommend you deep dive into functional JavaScript if you want to be familiar with higher order functions, querying, partial evaluation, chaining, function composition, context binding, and recursion. We cover all these topics and more there. If you already know most of these techniques, you will learn everything in this volume to start writing applications in practice. Thank you for your interest in implementing and testing applications using functional JavaScript, and see you in the next video.